Hi everyone, in this video I will show that how you can download and install Internet Download Manager extension on your Chrome browser. Guys, first just open up your browser, then just search for the web store. Once you search for it, you will see the first website of the Chrome web store. So just open up this website of Chrome web store. Now, once you open it, you will see the option of the search box on the top. So just click on the search extension and themes right here. Once you click on that, now here just type the Internet Download Manager. Guys, once you type the IDM or Internet Download Manager, just hit the enter. You will see the many extension. You can easily download it from here. Now, these extension work like the Internet Download Manager. You can easily download and install it. Just simply open up the any you like and just click on the add to Chrome. Then just click on that option of add extension. Start downloading and installing on your Chrome browser. Now it will take some time. It will increase your speed acceleration, and once it was downloaded, then just click on this extension icon, then just click on the pin. Now it was pinned to your Google Chrome, and this is how you can add IDM extension on your Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.